Hi everybody, welcome to the second part of the showing because we didn't have enough time to finish the other part. We're going to show you all the agents. This guy is the clone of him and he transformed to him, and she is another one, and these are all secret agencies. Now I'm going to be showing you about this car. This is the army car. And this is like a rainbow car, but supports for 95. You want to see the 95 in the corner. And this is a bad guy from the Cars, and he was trying to race this guy. Then when they finished the race, they started to fight. Then the police came and they stopped in the middle of them, like that. We're talking about this car and this car. This is the meter of when they pass like cars too. Now we got the glasses guy. What you can't move his glasses, but his glasses look cool. His eyes are really big. Now we've got the last car, and it's like a sports car from Poland? No. Japan. Look, Daddy, look. It looks as there. Was it there? Red, white, I bought him with it. What are you doing now?
Look at the bus.
And you want me to show you the bus? It's an old-fashioned bus from 2000 and maybe 5 or something. And these are the buses what has like a door here. In 2016 you don't have these kind of doors. You have like a door right here. And and that's where the driver goes. If you see Harry Potter Part 3, you get to see the epic part of this bus. It is a double-decker bus. If you can see the stairs right there, you can go up there. And you want to see the best pit.
It's convertible.
And basically put it on here and there. There you go. And who wants this? Bye bye.